This station rules the nation.
I said we gotta make some noise out there around DX land. We gotta make some noise out there around DX land. 911 smoking these big apple trees, and we just got down.
It coming back to you, man. That mobile coming back to 911.
Yeah, it gets a little bit of rough and tough, man. It gets a little bit of rough and tough. That mobile 1012 and around there. 911 in the trees, we listening.
Hey, 911, appreciate that comeback. 73's Jackrabbit, Texas Mobile, and I'm gone.
Jackrabbit, Texas Mobile. You making noise in the New York City. Hey, Jackrabbit, 911, big trees waving. 10-4, Jackrabbit is gone. Hey, 924, since you heard him first, man, jump in the pool. 911, we listening.
Hello, Texas. Hello, Texas. 924, New York, try. There he is, no doubt.
I said Mother Nature is bobbing and weaving. She's sticking and moving. 911, New York City with the wave.
How about that? Hello, 911. Hey, 911. Sounding good. Radio sound real good for you. It's strong. Down here in the bayou. Big Red with the morning wave. Breaker.
The bayou just cleaned out my video gate in New York City. That bayou country just cleaned out my video gate in the Big Apple. 911, big trees waving right back at you.
911, I just wanted to wave a hand to you. Heard you out there. Good morning to you, you and the family. Have a good one that way. Y'all take care up there. Stay warm. Big Red down here in the middle of the bayou. Reading the mail.
Big Red, I heard it because you said it. Big Red in the bayou country. 911, big trees, we listening.
Hey, 007. I hear you too out there, 007. You're sounding good also. Radio working good for you. Doing good job. Big Red, reading the mail.
Hello, Big Red. Hello, Big Red. 924, New York City with the wave. Nope.
Have a good day, 007. Have a good day to you and yours. Big Red gone. Warlock. 007. Warlock in the bayou, I heard.
A whole lot of the bayou country in my receive in New York City. A whole lot of the bayou. 911, New York City. We checking in.
911, I hear you, man. 911, Warlock in the bayou, heard you. Radio. Hello, 911, if you just copy. Warlock in the bayou, got down.
Warlock on the bayou. We heard you out there, Warlock. You said you out there casting a spell on the gators in the bayou country. 911, big trees waving.
Going around the big trees. 911. But I heard some of the big trees. Kind of wonderful sound coming down. I gotta give it to you. You got a 10-8 station on it. Hello, 911. Warlock in the bayou trying to get it right back.
Hey, Warlock, man, you doing your thing in the big trees. Hey, Warlock, you don't got a K-40 strapped to a gator over there in the bayou. You doing your thing. You 10-8 straight in New York City. 911, New York with the wave.
10 right on 911. I appreciate the key up and the key down in the world of sound and sort of like straining your ears.
Old Tumbleweed Mobile tank standing by.
So I wouldn't have let you know. 911 Warlock. Why are you trying to get it right back?
Hey, Warlock, man, you ain't got to try, Warlock. I heard it all because you said it all. Warlock in the Bayou Country, 911, we back in the bushes.
10 Roger. Good.
Those relays are chattering. Man, it gets too cold for the heater to work, 10-4.
He said those relays are chattering. Shame on the mess.
Who farted?
How cold is it up there? Yeah, it's facing like Tumble, they like a step down.
It's 34 degrees up here in the Big Apple.
It ain't too bad in the Big Apple trees comparing to those below zero that we were getting like a couple of weeks ago around Christmas.
Ah, that's cold, very cold. We wouldn't move over here at all. Have a good one. Take care of it. Try not to get too cold. Be ready in the bayou, in the mill.
Did talk to that guy down there in North Carolina area. And I think he said Franklin. Anyway, thank you for the comeback.
Hey, Skirt Chaser, you got New York City in there? Hey, Skirt Chaser, do you got the Big Apple trees in your receive? 911 Big Apple with the wave.
How about it, 911? Good morning there. Good morning there down there.
I heard you coming out of the black gold. 911 big trees waving right back.
Doggone it, I copied you once there. I'll tell you what, it's terrible bad on this end. I think I got everybody coming off the East Coast there. Deer Slayer, he sounded good. You know that, but doggone it, Deer Slayer, I just put up a different antenna yesterday. I don't know.
This Skirt Chaser got my ears plugged in New York City. I can't hear you coming out of the black gold. 911 big trees, we do acknowledge your station. I'm gone.
On it, so I took it down and put up an Antron 99 temporarily and see how that works for a while. Like I said, we're just using a little 919.
Who's that half-breed? Half-breed out there in the black gold? A half-breed, 911 New York City with the wave right back.
How about the 911 old Tumbleweed Mobile?
Hey, Tumbleweed, come on.
Yeah, good afternoon, good morning, whatever it is up there in the Big Apple. Old Tumbleweed in the Mobile.
Hey, Tumbleweed, Dad, Mobile smoking in my video gate in New York City. Old Tumbleweed doing your thing in the Big Apple trees. 911 New York City waving.
Have a good
Well,
night.
we've been using one of them old school penetrators for years and years, and it just got to the point you get a little moisture in the air and the SWR would go up, and the elements were starting to loosen up on it, so we just took it down.
Hey, I see what you do.
I see what you doing too.
Trader. Anyway, y'all have a good day out there. We get out of
Hello, Skipland. 924 New York City waving. We're standing by. I heard somebody getting back to 924. It's a little rough. 924 in the Big Apple, New York. We're standing by.
That sounded like Tumbleweed.
Tumbleweed.
In the bayou,
944 in the bayou. A 944 in the bayou. 911 big trees waving.
911, look at Bulldozer. 911, look at Bulldozer.
receive. Bulldozer, 911, Big Apple trees, waving.
Yeah, 1221, sounding good down here in Kansas.
Oh, Mother Nature, she ain't make up her mind who she wanna dance with. That's what it is. Oh, Mother Nature's playing games. 911, big trees with the wave. Too smooth around the Bayou country. I got you in there, Too Smooth. We gonna put your name in the Hall of Fame. 911, big trees, we listening.
He don't care.
A whole lot of the Bayou am I receive right about now. 911, New York City, and these trees waving.
That's where the skip is coming in from the Bayou. Waving into the Bayou. 924 New York City just got down.
Up at Wichita, I was plugging my ears for so long I couldn't hear nobody else, man. Now they faded out, and now it's a whole lot of the Bayou. Mother Nature's funny like that.
I know, it's great. I love it.
Well, what's gonna come?
That's how it works. That's how it is.
Alright, nobody move, nobody gets hurt. It's only
Nobody move, nobody gets hurt.
Take it on the band.
Where's all that Mother Nature up there on that East Coast, Bayou Boy Mobile, Brega?
Come on, Bayou boy. Come on, Bayou boy. You making noise in the Big Apple. Bayou boy, 911, Big Apple.
What's going on out there, 911 in the Big Apple? Bayou Boy, I-49,
Hey, Bayou boy, we gonna put your name in the Hall of Fame. That mobile smoking over here in New York City. Oh, Bayou boy, 911, Big Apple.
Roger on that there, 911, yeah, man. Hey, look at me, look at me. Lord, you in charge in my Studebaker. I'm out here rolling North in this 1953 Studebaker, come on.
Oh, I remember that. I remember that Studebaker. I remember talking to you in the summertime, and you was out there cruising in that 1953 Studebaker. 911, Big Apple trees, waving.
About the earthly ever seen, come on.
Are you 10-12 and in that Studebaker? You're making a whole lot of noise in the Big Apple trees. 911, we back in the bushes.
Alright, then 911. I'm out here traveling at a high rate of speed, so I'm gonna get on out the way. 911, Bayou Boy in this bad Studebaker, I'm getting on down. That Studebaker's just like the lot.
Don't mind me.
Like there, Jack Rabbit, I get a lone star, waiting right there.
Hey, Jack Rabbit. Hey, Jack Rabbit, you still making noise in the big trees. Old Jack Rabbit Mobile, 911, Big Apple with the wave.
Hey, 911, 911, appreciate them flyers.
10-4, no doubt about it, Jack Rabbit. We're gonna put your name in the Hall of Fame again. Old Jack Rabbit Mobile, 911, big trees. We reading your mail.
At first you gotta get on.
Hello, around the blue water, blue water, blue water. 911, big trees waving.
Heavy voice, a big sounding radio. Around those trees, big girl, 911, big girl Dallas.
Hey, big girl around Dallas, you making noise in New York York City. Oh, big girl coming out of Dallas, no doubt about it. 911, big trees with the wave, right back.
You have a blessed day, and I want to give you a 23. Yours 911. Around New York City, you have a great day. Bye.
10-4, big girl, no doubt about it. I heard it because you said it. 911, New York City, we back in the bushes.
Bye bye 911 while you're back in the bushes. I am
Hello around the Bahamas. Hello around the Bahamas. We're making all that noise in New York City. Hello around the blue water. 911, big trees waving.
Hey, go away. Hello, Cool Breeze. Hey, good morning, Cool Breeze around the Bahamas, Bulldozer, Texas. Good morning, dude. Hello, Cool Breeze.
Good morning, Cool Breeze.
Good morning, Bulldozer. Bulldozer, good morning time. Right back, morning time. Happy New Year to you. Cool Breeze on the bomb island. Come on, don't break it, play it. 919 in the Big Apple, good morning time. Cool Breeze on the bomb, trying to get back in your receive. Come on, break it, play it.
Hey, Cool Breeze, you got back in my receive. You got 911, those emergency numbers. 911, New York with the wave.
Hey, 911. Hey, 911 over there in New York. 0727 down here in the bottom of Georgia with the big old wave, my friend.
Hey, 727. Hey, 727, we're gonna wave it right back. 727, cleaning my receive in the big trees. 911, waving.
Hey, Roger on that 911. My friend just heard you in there. Thought I'd bump it down till you sounded real good in the bottom of Georgia. 911, 727, Stump Knocker, and I'm back quiet.
Hey, 727, Stump Knocker, we're gonna put your name in the Hall of Fame. 911, big trees, we listening.
Morning wave back out. Equalizer, I heard you calling me. Equalizer, Jackrabbit, Texas, 4 wheel, waving right back.
Ryan 309, it's on the bumper down at good morning time. It's only good. And I thank you. Happy New Year on your end. 309. Cool Breeze down to North Alabama. They just got down.
Hey, Cool Breeze. Hey, Cool Breeze, can 911 get in your radio? Hey, Cool Breeze around Bahamas. 911, big trees waving.
About it now. Hello, 911, too smooth, diesel wagon in the bayou.
Too smooth in a diesel wagon. We got you in there, too smooth. 911, big apple trees waving right back.
Right back on you, 911. Always a pleasure with a double measure. Hey, 911, you sounded real good in the BYU. 911, take a minute, take care. Too smooth, diesel wagon in the bayou, got down and gone.
Hey, too smooth, man. While you 10-12 in that diesel wagon, man, you must be in a good spot. You over here in the strawberry patch in my video gate in New York City. Hey, too smooth in the bayou. 911, big trees, we listening.
Hey, 911, if I got you in that strawberry patch, I'm gonna try to keep you there, homeboy. Hey, here I come again, 911. Hey, 911, I'm in that northeast corner. You sounded real good in the Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Come on back up in my radio. Let's talk about it. 911, baby.
And for no doubt about it, man, I know you cruising around the BYU. I don't know what you out there doing. You probably out there rustling up them gators, man, but you doing your thing coming out of that diesel wagon. 911, New York City with the wave.
With a double measure. Happy 2023 to you and the Stone family. 911, big apple, too smooth, diesel wagon in the bayou, got down and gone. All right, Nancy boy, yeah.
T-Bone and the BYU waving that hand.
Hello, 69 T-Bone and the BYU 911 Big Apple Trees with the wave.
29 in the Bayou Go.
Hey, y'all, something better than that. Hello there, nasty boy around New Jersey. Nasty boy around New Jersey. Your 69 T-Bone and the BYU sending that 2022 waves right back your way. Hope you're having a good start to this year, my friend. Your 69 T-Bone, bag out.
A 69 T-Bone. A T-Bone. Can the big trees get in your receive? A T-Bone 911 Big Apple.
Hello there, my friend. 911 in the Big Apple. Nice to hear you up in there. I don't get to hear you every day there. 911 in the Big Apple. Always nice to hear you up in there doing your thing there. 911, top of this big old day, my friend. Your 69 T-Bone waving. We back out.
Hey T-Bone, man, you cleaning my receive in the big trees. Oh T-Bone, you doing your thing in New York City. Oh T-Bone, 911, Big Apple, sending smoke signals down your way. I'm gone.
Right back there, 911. You doing good in my hood here this morning yourself, my friend. Sounding good as always there, 911. Enjoy your gates there, no doubt. Keep on doing what you're doing, because I enjoy it, I do there. 911, your 69. Keep on, said it, and we gone.